So let's have a look at the hang standing workout. So here I've just got a nice hang in the rings, and this month's version is the cross version. So I'm bringing one knee up and then coming across to the opposite armpit, so getting that cross stabilization. So rather than just a straight flexion, and then bringing the leg across at the back to get that posture oblique sling working as well. So working both of those and just doing that for a minute. Good grip strength. You could have one foot on the ground while you're doing it. Some other versions that we do in the other months, so you just got the hollow, rolling it up into that nice tuck, and then coming down into that nice traction, dead hang, and then that arch. So really trying to pull the rings behind and extend, and just doing reps of that. I like that with the exhalation in the flexion, inhalation in the arch. Another month I'll do these on the side lateral version, so using the lateral sling down the side. Then you've got the integration of them, so doing that circle, rotating around all the way nice and slow one way, from that hollow into the side hollow into the arch, and then back the other way. I like using the breath, breathing into the arch, breathing out into the hollow, then holding the breath out for a sec, and then repeating the other way. So then here we've got the standing version of the crossover version. So I'm just crossing over, internally rotating as I come down. As I come up, I'm externally rotating that arm and then looking back over that shoulder. So getting that nice cross pattern. So you might even do 30 seconds on one side, 30 the other side to make it a bit easier. Like that, so it continues. And then got the other side here. Reaching down, really trying to heal every segment, and then reaching the arm up. You can make it a little bit heavier as you're coming up, keeping that arm straight, which is quite nice. But you want to make sure both sides are even and balanced, and you're not arching too early that you pass through that neutral version at the top. Here's just the basic standing flexion extension. So coming right down, and then head's the last to come up. So really trying to heal every segment and then roll it up, hit neutral, then externally rotate into that arch, extending back, and then letting the head be the last to come up. So arch, arch. And here we've got the side hollow. So coming down, leading with the head, and then trailing with the head on the way up. Then the other side. And these are good, and you can use the fingertips as a reference for range. I like filming or using a mirror, make sure I'm even, especially if you've got any kind of discomfort. Here's the rotational one. It's a bit more advanced, looking back and then rolling down. So I try and look through to this side throughout, so it really challenges the body with that mobility. So yeah, film yours, get them back to me. It's good to work those minute, 3 sets, 6 minutes. See you soon.